Most business owners think that creating a Google business profile is easy. That is true for storefront businesses. But for service areas businesses, especially businesses without a physical shop, Google verification works very differently. This case study explains exactly how. Hi, I am Shabnam from GBP Wizards, and this is a real service area business creation, suspension and verification success case. Our client runs Chapel Hill Locksmith in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, United States. They wanted to create a Google business profile. Since this is a service area business, Google asked for video verification during creation. Now, here is the reality. Video verification is simple for storefront businesses because they can show signage, interiors, and customer entrances. But for service area businesses, video verification is much more strict and sensitive. Here is what went wrong. The client recorded and uploaded the business video. The verification failed. They tried again and again. After a couple of failed attempts, the Google business profile got suspended. The profile never went live on Maps. For a locksmith business, this is critical because locksmith service areas are high urgency services. If you are not visible on Google Maps, you are losing customers every single day. That's when the client contacted GBP Wizards. So let us know why this happens to service area businesses. This is a very common mistake. Most service area business owners think I'll just upload the video again, but repeated video attempts actually increase the risk. Once a profile is suspended, you cannot retry blindly. You must follow a structured recovery process. Since the profile was already suspended, the first step was to enable verification again. After restoring the verification option, we did not let the client record video randomly. Instead, we guided the client on how to plan the video properly, explained exactly what Google wants to see, structured the video step by step for a service area business, and made sure no policy violations were shown. This time, the video was clear, correct, and policy complaint. After submitting the properly planned video, Google approved the verification. The profile was successfully verified. The Google business profile went live on Maps. Customers could finally find and call the business. Most importantly, the locksmith business became visible again exactly where emergency customers search. And this case proves an important point. Video verification is not same for everyone. Service area business need proper planning and guidance. Random retries often cause suspension. Not having a storefront does not mean you cannot create or verify a Google business profile, but it must be done in the right way. If you are watching this and thinking, I don't have a storefront, my video verification failed, my profile got suspended during creation, I am a service area business, then don't experiment. Contact GBP Wizards. We specialize in service area business profile creation, video verification guidance, suspension recovery, restoring Google Maps visibility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next case study.